Mac OS X also has its privacy problems. Let me show you this video. I think this is a good presentation of what the issues are.
Apple released a new operating system this weekend, Yosemite, and in it we found some surprising features that I suspect most users would like to know about. For example, just bringing up Spotlight Search, the feature you use to search for files on your operating system, now transmits your location and the name of the files you're searching for to Apple on a regular basis. You'll notice that your location is being transmitted to Apple even though you're not shown the location notification icon. They have chosen to suppress this notification for worry that consumers would be overwhelmed with too many notification messages. What this means is if you've opted into location services, then you've also opted into sharing your location information silently with Apple. You'll also notice that this information is being sent even before I start typing. As we type, our keystrokes are sent to Apple one by one. I'm searching for a document on my computer called Secret Plans Obama Leaked Me, but Apple receives that information along with my location and user ID, which is a unique string of letters and numbers used to identify me. Apple tells us that this changes every 15 minutes, but we have to trust that it's not being linked to the prior one. Still, they receive our location information. You can definitely tell that we're here at the Washington Post based on these coordinates.
So to disable these things, first thing is you want to go to System Preferences and then go to Spotlight. And from Spotlight you can see all of the things that Spotlight looks in order to do searches for you. So this can be very useful, but it can also be a privacy issue as you've just seen. So you definitely want to switch off Spotlight Suggestions. Also Bing web searches, and then it's really up to you as to what you want to disable, but I would suggest those two as a minimum. You also need to disable Spotlight Suggestions in Safari if of course you are using Safari. If you open Safari, go to your preferences and click on the security tab, and then you want to deselect this one as it is at the moment. So you want to have that selected off. Include Spotlight Suggestions. There's a great website I would suggest here. You can see the URL. This provides plenty of information about the privacy issues in Mac OS X. This is also a good website which will provide you some more details. And there's also a specific tool here, NetMonitor on GitHub, that monitors for phone home type behavior, which is here. On this website you can download a Python script which will automatically disable all of the privacy related settings. And here you can see the script, so if you know Python you can understand what it is that it's doing. And Python's not too difficult of a language to understand, so you can pretty much see what it is that it's doing. In order to run the script, you would need to type Python and then the name of the script. In this case it is fix dash. There it says all done. Make sure to log out and back in for the changes to take effect. Python is installed as default on the Mac. And one last thing, you want to be notified when location services are used. So we do this by going here to your System Preferences, Privacy and Security. I'm going to have to unlock this. Location Services, and down here System Services Details, and then if we click here, Show Location icon in menu bar when System Services request your location. So essentially if Apple is wanting to request your location, it's going to notify you. Click Done. And there we are.